welcome back to another video. So today we're going to make a video on how to make Seamoss gel. I know I had uploaded a video on the channel, just a little sneak peek, but today I wanted to make the full video on how to make the Seamoss gel. Right? So first to start, I have here the Seamoss. Guys, it's not something that looks so pretty, so beautiful. If you purchase this at supermarkets or any grocery store or elsewhere, wherever you purchase them, they come already prepped for you. But this one is not. So I'm going to show you how we go ahead and prep it. Look at this, guys. See it, look. So what you have to do is to go ahead. It's gonna take some time because you have to go through carefully and remove all the unwanted stuff from it, right? So like if you see some scales or whatever it is, you're just going to remove those from it. So that's what we're doing here. We're just going in and we're just going to remove those from it. Okay guys, so this is the Seamoss after prepping it. So we're just going to go ahead and wash it. So we're going to wash to get rid of the sea sand and the scales from it. So when washing, you're going to wash until the water is clear. There is no sand, nothing. Clear, crystal clear. So that's what we're doing here. So you see how the Seamoss looked before? Once you add it to the water, it is going to revive. So once you add it to the water, you will start realize you're seeing more fragments or debris, some little things hanging around, and you can just go ahead and pick them up. So you can still search for those stuff in it, and that's what we're doing here. And you know, you have a variety of Seamoss. You have some purple ones as well. You have these. So whatever Seamoss you have, you're going to prepare it just the same, right? Guys, you realize they are now hydrated. So you pour off that first water, then you're going to pull it up again and wash it. It's not yet clear, guys, so you look under here and ensure that there is no sea sand in it. So we're going to repeat this process until the water is clear and the Seamoss is free from any fragments, any unwanted stuff from it. Yes guys, so you might be wondering what the lemon does. Right, so the sea moss is harvested from the ocean, hence it is going to be raw. Alright, sea moss them raw guys, in its natural state it is raw. So what you do is you add lemon or lime to reduce the rawness from it, right? It don't have a pleasant smell guys while it is soaking overnight or even in its natural state. So we add the lime to minimize the rawness. How it is looking. So what we're gonna do is take a plastic wrap, put over it, and leave it to soak for about 24 hours. Okay guys, so the sea moss have been soaking for about 24 hours, right? 1 day plus, and it is smelling so citrus. It smells so good guys. It is not raw because we added the lemon to it. Look at that guys. You see how them look? The before and after is real. You see how they look all and crusty before, and once we had the water to it, it get hydrated and it's like the sea moss revive, right? And it is looking so healthy and lovely. So yes guys, we like what we're seeing here. So what we're about to do is to start making the sea moss gel, although majority of it was preparation time because the sea moss takes a lot of time to prepare it to make it look like this. Oh, it is looking very lovely now, right? So the method that we're using today is no boiling. We're not boiling our sea moss. We're gonna do it the natural way, and this video will help you to do it step by step and also achieve a smooth consistency of your sea moss or Irish moss gel. So what we're doing is to add any amount, a good amount that you like to add to your blender. Point to note guys, if you're making the sea moss gel without adding any heat or without boiling, you have to ensure that you get a strong bullet blender, or you have to have a powerful blender. Why? Because you will need this powerful blender to blend the sea moss very smooth without any lump. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and boil the sea moss. Boiling the sea moss will soften it. Same like how you boil carrot or you boil Irish, and when you put it in the blender it gets smooth out easily, right? That is why some people tend to boil their sea moss, but it can also be done this way where you don't add any heat, right? But you have to have a powerful blender to get it very smooth without lumps. And this is how it is looking, very smooth guys, isn't it? So we're just going to complete the remaining batch. And with this bullet blender guys, this blend out things very smooth. So our sea moss gel was very smooth, so we're just completing the remaining batch. And we also use the same water that was used to soak the sea moss gel from overnight because it contains a lot of minerals. And you know, sea moss gel is it has a lot of health benefits. It has a lot of minerals, vitamins. It can help to improve your digestive system. Have so many benefits guys. You can go ahead and research the benefits of sea moss gel. You'll be amazed, right? So we just leave it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes or an hour, and this is the consistency of the gel. Very smooth, guys, as you can see, no lumps, right? And this Seamoss gel, you can add it to your smoothie, you can add it to your drink, whatever you like to add it to, any meal that you like to add. You can add this Seamoss a part of your diet. I hope this video was informative and it helped you how to prepare your Seamoss gel without boiling or without adding any heat. And if you do enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and let us see you in the comment section. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.